You ever been like completely overwhelmed with type 1? Like my hand is raised and you're not alone. I literally had to stop this video. I was going to record it and my blood sugar was going low. And I literally laid down on the ground over there for about 15 minutes while my blood sugar came back up. Like my hand is raised. I'm in this with you. I want to introduce Dr. Mark Heyman to you. He wrote a book. It's called Diabetes Sucks and You Can Handle It. Here's what he said about feeling overwhelmed.
Do you ever feel overwhelmed by the constant demands of life with type 1 diabetes? You know what I mean. High blood sugars, low blood sugars, always planning ahead for what's next and trying to avoid the highs and the lows and those roller coasters. It can be a lot. I get it. But trust me, if you ever feel this way, you're not alone. And actually, I expect you to feel this way sometimes. Diabetes is overwhelming. So how do you deal with it? Well, there are a couple of options. One option, which almost always backfires, is ignoring diabetes. It just doesn't work. You try to ignore it, and your blood sugar skyrockets, and then you're even more frustrated. The other option is developing tools that you can use to learn to navigate the stress of diabetes, to deal with the overwhelm, and not let it get in your way. And that's what I want you to focus on.
Now remember, this week, we're trying to be honest with ourselves and be open to the fact that it is normal to get overwhelmed. It's really all in about how we respond when we get in that spot. Now, I have links in my bio on what you and I can do if we get overwhelmed by type 1 today, like a lot of us can. So how do you respond when all the details of type 1 get overwhelming?